Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Sonic Unleashed recompile version on PC. So first of all, search for Sonic Unleashed recompiled on Google. Then open the first GitHub link, which is the link where you will have to download the files. Now, as you can see, these are the files that are available on GitHub, and it contains not only the information about the game and how to install and everything is available on this link. So for downloading, simply go to this release here and click on this version. Now as this is for Windows, so you can see how to download this Windows version, and this is the link where you will be able to download the Windows version. Now after you download the zip files, you will need a zip extractor, which is in MacBook is already there, but for Windows you might need to have a zip extractor. Simply extract the files and then follow the guidelines given on this page to install this game on your PC. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.